Hi students, this is the class for grade 8. This is my 5th class of this lesson, cell structure. It's a very important chapter because it is the basic of biology. Cell is the basic, cell structure and function is the main basic of biology. So you have to read it more carefully. In previous classes we have discussed about the cell, general structure of cell, and cell structure is mainly made up with protoplasm and cohering system. Both cohering system, cell wall and cell membrane, we have discussed in previous classes. In this class, I will start the protoplasm. The protoplasm mainly made up with 3 parts: vacuoles, cytoplasm and nucleus. We will discuss today about the nucleus. What is nucleus? The structure of nucleus and the role of nucleus. Before to start, I like to say that many students still now unable to understand what is the structure meanings. Describe the structure means you have to describe the structure, not figure. Figure is essential to describe the structure. With the answer of this question, you have to first describe what is the different parts and definition and its rules. So describe means write and elaborate the each and every parts of that particular matter which you are describing a structure, and with that you attached the figure. But don't give only structure. Structure means not the figure, only figure, that is the diagram. When you are asked for draw the diagram of nucleus or draw the diagram of plasma membrane, then only the diagram or figure. Otherwise you have to write about that particular matter. Okay, now today we will discuss about the nucleus. Nucleus is a very vital part of the cell. That's why it is also known as the brain of the cell. So what will be the definition of nucleus? Nucleus, if you go in my previous videos, then you can see the nucleus present approximately center of a cell. So it is nucleus, and so in definition it is the cohering system, means cell membrane or wall. In case of animal cell there is only membrane, and plant cell membrane and cell wall, and this part is known as protoplasm. Protoplasm, in protoplasm there is nucleus. So what is nucleus? Definition is very easy. Nucleus is a substance or dense material present approximately center of the protoplasm, which contain the DNA in the form of chromosome. The main materials which contained by nucleus, that is DNA in the form of chromosome. How it is I will discuss later. Now, so that is the nucleus. Means nucleus is the cell organelle present approximately center of the protoplasm, which contain DNA in the form of chromosome, is known as nucleus. Now we discuss first about the structure of the nucleus. The main part of a nucleus, that is, there is 4 parts. First one is nuclear membrane. Second, nucleoplasm. Third, nuclear reticulum. And fourth, that is nucleolus. Willfully here the description about each and every part and write down in your notebook. First of all, nuclear membrane. So we have to first draw our nucleus. The first part is nuclear membrane. That means the outermost covering of the nucleus or the membrane like structure or thin layer which cover the nucleus, the other parts of the nucleus or outermost covering of nucleus is known as nuclear membrane. So it is nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane, it is made up with protein and lipid. Protein and lipid, always membrane is made up with protein and lipid. You have seen it in the previous class, the structure of membrane. Any kind of membrane made up with protein and lipid. So this is the first part, nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane, the outermost covering of the nucleus is known as nuclear membrane. It is mainly made up with protein and lipid. It has 2 layers, means it is the double unit membrane. 2 membrane, it is the first membrane and it is the second membrane. 2 membrane, so it is known as double unit membrane, means nucleus is bounded by double unit membrane. That 2 unit membrane, the space between this white place, you can see, this is called the perinuclear cisternae. Perinuclear cisternae. The space between 2 membrane is known as perinuclear cisternae. I repeat, the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is the outermost covering. The outermost covering of the nucleus is bounded by 2 unit membrane, means double unit membrane, that is known as nuclear membrane. And the space between 2 nuclear membrane, that is known as perinuclear cisternae. And the gap presents in the over the nuclear membrane, pores like structure present over the nuclear membrane which allow to pass different substances from nucleus to cytoplasm, that is known as nucleopore. Okay, so this is the structure of nuclear membrane. Now the second, what is nucleoplasm? Nucleoplasm means the jelly-like structure presents within the nuclear membrane, jelly-like structure, that is known as nucleoplasm. Nothing else, just jelly-like structure that is present within the nuclear membrane is called nucleoplasm, over which the nucleolus and nuclear reticulum are present over the nucleoplasm. So it is the nucleoplasm. Third point, that is nuclear reticulum and nucleolus. First I discuss the nucleolus. Nucleolus, uneven solid substance. It is a solid. So uneven solid substance presents approximately center of the nucleus is known as nucleolus. It is made up with RNA and protein. It is mainly made up with RNA and protein. And finally, the nuclear reticulum. Nuclear reticulum is a thread-like structure present floating over the nucleoplasm. The thread-like structure floating over the nucleoplasm is called nuclear reticulum. In the nuclear reticulum, if we highlight the nuclear reticulum, it contains a lot of X-like structure. This is called chromosome. We will discuss the structure and function of chromosome DNA at the last class after the completing of this chapter, because it is your out of syllabus, means it is not required in this standard, 8th standard. What is chromosome and what is DNA? You have to only know that chromosome, that is contain DNA, means chromosome is made up with DNA. DNA means DNA full form deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA binds with protein and produce a X-like structure that is known as chromosome. And DNA, that is the hereditary unit. The structure and function I will discuss at the end of this chapter when we understand what is cell and what is its roles. After that, I will discuss the DNA and chromosome. So for this class, the main part, the structure of nucleus. The nucleus has main 4 parts: nuclear membrane, the outermost covering; nucleoplasm, that is the jelly-like structure within the nuclear membrane; and nuclear reticulum, the thread-like structure floating over the nucleoplasm; and nucleolus, the semi-solid uneven structure presents in the center of the nucleoplasm, that is known as nucleolus. It is made up with RNA and protein, membrane made up with protein and lipid, and other perinuclear cisternae, nucleopore you have to discuss. This is the structure of nucleus. And what is the role? Role of nucleus. First of all, it control approximate all the activity, all the metabolic activity of the cell. So, metabolic activity. Second, cell division. And third, protein synthesis. So main 3 activity done by the nucleus, that is metabolic activity. Metabolic activity means different types of metabolism controlled by the nucleus. Second important, that is cell division, is controlled by the nucleus. And third is it helps in protein synthesis as it is contained DNA in the form of chromosome. So DNA is the main part in the process of photosynthesis. So for today's class, you have to write the answer, and for this week you have to prepare just 3 questions: cell wall, cell membrane and nucleus, structure and function of each.